Hey, let me show you how you can fix connection issues of your Realme Buds Air 6. So if your earbuds, for example, are not visible on the pairing list, or they are visible but still you cannot select them, you cannot accept the pairing request, or there's like any other issue, first of all, I will highly recommend you to input both earbuds inside this charging case and be sure that this green indicator is turned on. If you don't have here this green indicator, remember to recharge your earbuds for like 10 to 20 minutes with the USB-C cable. Then close this case for a few seconds. Now open it, and you will have to click and hold this button that appears at the bottom. Let me just catch focus. It's here. So I have to click and hold it. And now we just have to wait until this indicator on the front starts blinking green and white. Currently it is blinking only white, but now as you can see it starts blinking green and white. So now we have to release this button, we have to close this case one more time, then we have to open it, and now we have to again click and hold this button and wait until it starts blinking white. There we go. Now we can release this button, keep that case open, and on your device turn off the Bluetooth, then turn it on back and go for the pairing list. Now select your Realme Buds Air 6 and simply try to accept the pairing request. And as you can see right now it works, everything is fine. And that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.